morning. Thank you for joining us on our routine weekly Monday briefing for Central North Carolina. This will cover the period of today, Monday, March 24th through Sunday, March 30th. Upcoming weather pattern. Well, as you all know, a cold front is moving through the region today, bringing scattered to numerous showers and isolated thunderstorm possible in the afternoon, especially over the over the sandhills and southern coastal plain. We're seeing winds up to 30 miles per hour possible. Again, over the coastal plain is the most likely place to see the stronger gusts across the area. As that cold front pushes out of the area today and tomorrow, high pressure will build in, but before that happens, another round of showers will be possible late Tuesday night, mainly along and north of the US 64 highway, clearing out of the region early Wednesday morning. And as you can see on this top right graphic, high pressure will build in and dominate the region Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, before another disturbance on the as you can see in the bottom right picture, another disturbance will move across the Midwest and into the Mid-Atlantic by Sunday. Here are some precip totals for today. We're looking about less than half an inch, probably a little bit overdone in the north, up to half an inch, but generally anywhere from 1/10 to a little over 1/4 of an inch is expected. And as you can see, here's that next band of showers possible Tuesday night. That's going to bring less than 1/4 of an inch of rain, generally less than probably 1/10 for Tuesday, and then dry Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. All this light rainfall doesn't really call for excessive rainfall, so no excessive rainfall for Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday. As mentioned before, we aren't in a chance for severe weather. However, a few isolated thunderstorms are possible in the sandhills and southern coastal plain this afternoon. Very, very isolated. Here is our experimental graphical hazardous weather outlook. You can see that lightning is highlighted for today. Again, that's in the south, the sandhills and southern coastal plain. And then wind, it's going to be windy everywhere today. And then fire weather, that's pretty much later today in the late evening. As that cold front moves through, temperatures and humidity will drop, but very small area. The main thing, and I'll talk about it in a minute, is Tuesday, Wednesday for fire weather. And then also Wednesday night into Thursday, we might have a small patchy area of possible for frost freeze. So back to that fire weather risk this week. This is what I was talking about for today, Monday night. You have that small limited risk as that cold front moves through. The humidity levels will drop and winds will pick up still behind the front. Nothing major to worry about, but there is still a statewide burn ban. Tuesday night, increased fire danger statement will be possible as lower humidity values are expected, and the front will move offshore. Again, Wednesday, portions of the Northwest Piedmont could also have a increased fire danger statement for that area, as the humidity levels will drop even more and winds will be pretty gusty still. So again, this is just a limited risk where low humidity and breezy conditions result in increased fire danger. Here is our 8 to 14 day temperature for precipitation and our temperature precipitation outlook. 50% chance for above normal temperatures, March 31st, April 6th. So starting off April, above normal for temperatures and near normal for precipitation. So this time of year, we're looking in the upper 60s to near 70 with lows in the mid 40s. Just a reminder, yesterday, Sunday, March 23rd, we started our frost freeze program for Central North Carolina. So we will be issuing frost freeze watches, warning, and advisories based on the guidelines, which are here below. So again, remember I talked about that earlier. We might have something for Wednesday. So if we see a 32 degrees or less, or temperatures are forecast to be 32, or temperatures between 33 and 36. These are all those criterias for the freeze watch, freeze warning, and frost advisory. So that is, again, active starting yesterday and will continue through the spring. Here is a weather summary to wrap it up. So as I said, a cold front will move through today, bringing scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms in the afternoon. It's going to be gusty today and tonight, especially in the coastal plain region. Another round of showers possible late Tuesday night along and north of US 64, but dry Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Another chance of rain, most likely on Sunday. And then with those hazardous impacts, fire weather concerns mainly on Tuesday and again Wednesday. So that is going to wrap up our forecast, our briefing for this week. And